Okay, next videos. Took the subframe mounts off, trunnions, whatever you like to call them. Oh shit! I went over them with a wire wheel. A bit dangerous, but you've got to be careful. But yeah, use that to get all the rust off, and I've just gone over that with a bit of smooth work. Heritage panels arrived. They're the top braces that go onto the wheel arch. And we've also got a closing panel which goes in, and the rear valance fits under that, and that goes under the floor. So then you go on. Also pick myself up some Hollybush mounts. So I'm going to try and put them into here. Looks like they're going to go in right actually. A bit wider than the original ones, but we get them on there. That will then place where these mounts need to go. And then we can line up these strengthening plates, cut anything out that we need to, and get ready to get them tacked in first. Then we can repair the top boot floor that goes over the top of that, re-drill the holes. Then we can finally then put the rear panel back on and weld that on. But yeah, let's do that for now. Yeah. I've been told try not to bang metal around while I'm talking as well. It doesn't really help, so I bang metal or talk. I only do one at a time, so I'll try and get better at that. Right, so still need to clean it up. I don't know how well it can be seen there. So I've just got some bolts, small ones. I'll do for now. It's not far off, not bad. I think it's supposed to go under the floor. It goes under the floor pan. Under the boot, I mean. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to whip both wheels off so I can get to the back of these arches and do a bit more trimming. So I think it's easier just to trim the arch than it's to try and get in there grinding. Yeah, it'd be better if I had the subframe out, but it can't all be perfect. And then let's just see how this one's working. There, can you see that? There you go. So, yeah, cool. Right, let's whip the wheels off. Okay, bit of a tidy up. What I did notice, which isn't unexpected, is obviously there's no mounts on the back to the floor now, so I'm going to jack the subframe up. You can see the gap changing a bit, so I can get my finger in there. And now I'm jacking the subframe up, and then you can see it drop. So what I need to do is try and jack the body up a little bit, I think. So an interruption. Stop there. Some strange person walking past my garage. So yeah. So I need to just keep an eye on that. I'm not quite sure where we can jack from because I don't really much at the back of the car. Doesn't need to come up much. Yeah, we just need to make sure, because make sure that, because I had that same problem with the floor. So, yeah. Okay, another update before I move on. I just, I don't know what's right or wrong now. I moved the axle stands forward, so it's obviously giving me a bit of a gap now. Don't know how much, obviously I can't really take how much gap there is on that on a normal car. It's got to be some gap, maybe it's just touching. But, we'll see. I'll have to play about it. Okay, like a lot of talking in this video, I think, not so much doing. Going out, so I've got to be ready soon before the wife gets home. Going out to Strada. So, even though I had a curry last night, which was very nice. But, you know, things you have to do. Anyway, so yeah, I cut more of the wheel archway. What I need to do is clean up around here. Then I'll have to rebuild the arch lip first. Then I can look at building the new plate that goes on top. Looks like that's sort of fitting loads of room there. But yeah, obviously before I completely get the whole thing tacked down, need to get the back panel on the rear valance looking like, see if it will go alright. So obviously you can get quite a lot of movement there, which will affect things. Alright. Okay, use the old bit I cut off as a bit of a template. Hopefully it don't have to be too accurate. So cut that into there. Put a little joggle on there because it looks like that overlaps the arch. We'll get that welded in there. We can then look at putting this panel back on. Butts up against it, which obviously you guys can't see from that side. Yeah, looks good. We just, yeah, cool. That's it. I'm gonna have to go inside now. Really can't see much. I was supposed to do more tonight, but I put Fast and the Furious on. Kids watching it, so we're going to go inside and watch that, have a curry. We've got a big night planned tomorrow night anyway, but I thought I'd just at least finish the video with text. So I've repaired the arch, just going to get this floor pan, got to drill the holes tomorrow, get that mounted down, make a plate to fill the hole, finish the arch off, we can move to the other side. Big progress tomorrow night.